What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another Real Experiment video. In 2026, everyone is talking about AI side hustles, but most of them are just hype. Today, I did something different. I personally tested 5 different AI-powered side hustles for 30 days each, invested real time and a small amount of money, and now I'm revealing which one made me $1,000 the fastest, which ones are actually worth it, and which ones you should completely avoid. This is going to be one of the most honest videos on the channel because I'm showing you real numbers, real results, my wins, my failures, and the exact step-by-step for the winning methods. If you're looking for a profitable side hustle in 2026 that you can start with low budget, stick with me till the end. Let me first introduce the 5 AI side hustles I tested. AI content creation for YouTube and TikTok, faceless. AI freelance services, writing, design, video editing. AI-powered print on demand, already covered but I went deeper. Selling AI-generated digital products. AI dropshipping store automation. I ran each one properly for 30 days and tracked everything. Time invested, money spent, and profit made. Hustle number 1. AI faceless content creation. I created a new faceless channel in the motivation niche, using 11 Labs for voice, CapCut for editing, and Midjourney for visuals. It took a lot of consistency. In the first 30 days, I made around $340 from AdSense and affiliates. It has high potential, but takes time to grow. Hustle number 2. AI freelance services. I offered services on Upwork and Fiverr like AI-written blog posts, social media captions, and YouTube scripts. This one started making money the fastest. In the first 10 days, I closed my first clients, and by the end of 30 days, I had made $1,450. The key was niching down and delivering fast with AI tools. Hustle number 3. Advanced AI print on demand. I scaled my previous pod store with better AI designs and more aggressive marketing. This one gave me $870 in profit in 30 days. It's more passive once designs are uploaded. Hustle number 4. Selling AI-generated digital products. I created Notion templates, AI prompt packs, and planners. Launched on Gumroad and Etsy. This performed very well, $1,120 in the first 30 days. High margin and truly passive after creation. Hustle number 5. AI dropshipping automation. I set up a store and used AI for product research and ad creatives. This one was slower in the beginning. Made only $290 in 30 days, but has big scaling potential. Final results, ranking. Here are the clear winners after 30 days. AI freelance services, $1,450, fastest to $1K. AI digital products, $1,120. AI print on demand, $870. Faceless content, $340. AI dropshipping, $290. Detailed breakdown of the winning hustle. AI freelance. Step 1. Choose your service. I chose AI writing and scripting. Step 2. Create professional profiles on Upwork and Fiverr. Step 3. Use AI tools to deliver high-quality work quickly. Step 4. Start with low prices to get reviews, then increase rates. Step 5. Ask for repeat clients and testimonials. Why some failed to make money fast. Many hustles need time to build momentum. Dropshipping and YouTube need more testing and patience. My complete recommendations for 2026. If you want fast cash, start with AI freelance services. If you want passive income, go for digital products or print on demand. If you want big scaling, combine AI dropshipping with content. Common mistakes I made. Trying too many things at once. Not niching down properly. Underpricing in the beginning. Not tracking time versus profit. Pro tips to make 1K plus fast. Focus on one hustle for minimum 60 days. Use AI to 10x your speed. Build systems early. Reinvest your first profits into better tools or ads. This experiment taught me that in 2026, the people making real money with AI are the ones who execute consistently and focus on solving real problems for clients. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 5 AI side hustles are you going to try first? Also, if you want me to do a deep dive on any one of these with full setup guide, let me know. If this video helped you understand which side hustle to pick, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'm doing more real money experiments every week. Thank you for watching. Stay consistent, take action, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.